So, Auditor, you had queried the payment voucher and supporting documents. I can see a payment voucher here where the payee is Kenya Power. Is that the one?
Yes.
The 6 million was paid to Kenya Power?
Yes. Yeah, at the time of audit, this voucher was not availed, but now we are seeing the voucher.
Governor, why are you making your life complicated? You are paid Kenya Power, which obviously must be a legitimate payment. Now, the people of KISII, in their mind, ulikula 6 million, as per this report. Because these reports, when they come out, people make conclusions. If these records were available in the entity, why were they not provided to the Auditor General?
Chairman, over 2 years is a fight back and forth on making system work. Therefore, you'll find that even documents missed intentionally because they would want, the same people, Mr. Chair, they would even give the Auditor General that investigate this particular item of Kenya Power. We're not sure that it was paid. Then later on they produce, because again, the perception which is created outside there, as you put it, when the report is out there, is that this money has been stolen. Until today, we told people that yes, there was a voucher of 6 million, which emerged from either it dropped here on the floor of the office. Nobody can believe. The voucher is work in progress. Civil service, I've not been there before. You realize that it's very hard to deal with the individuals, but when system they are working, indeed, we'll be able to have things working. With accruing accounting of that, we'll be able to sort a number of these problems going forward.